Here is the K2 Plus. It's on. It's been not printing for many hours, I think maybe even the whole day. But well, my point is that sitting on totally not doing anything, you can hear a fan. My other printers are unpowered right now, but you can probably hear that fan. I certainly can. I think it's like a motherboard fan or something. I'm not really sure. Actually, when I open this in here, it's a little bit more audible. Maybe it's something back there. I can't really tell. Is it one of these? Oh, that side stuff is off. I think it might actually be something back here. But I really am unsure, but it just seems to me like it would be nice if it didn't sit here making a noise all of the time when it's not actually doing anything. But hopefully that's just a small future firmware update. Maybe this is a feature request. Anyways, that's all.